Hello all of you. So we are doing logarithms exercise 1.5. The first question, determine the values of the following. So there are many bits under this one. Almost 9 bits are there. So we'll write the solutions for this one. So we have to find the value of the first bit, log 5 base 25. Okay, so let us take log 5 base 25 is equal to x. We have a formula. What is that? Log m base a is equal to x. If log m base a is equal to x, then we can write a power x is equal to m. If log m base a is equal to x, then we can write a power x is equal to m. That is, this m is the number, a is the base, x is the power. In exponential form, we will write it as a power x is equal to m. The same thing when you write it in logarithmic notation, we will get it like this. So we have to find the value of log 5 base 25. So we don't know, so we are taking it as x. Now apply this formula. So what will get? A power x is equal to m. So similarly, we will get 25 power x is equal to 5. But 25 can be written as 5 square. So 5 square whole power x is equal to 5. So a power m whole power n. What is the formula? A power m whole power n formula is a power mn, m into n. So I'll get 5 power 2x is equal to 5. Here nothing is there means it is power 1. So here bases are equal. So equate the powers. We will get 2x is equal to 1. Okay. We are equating the powers. 2x is equal to 1. So x is equal to, bring this 2 to other side. I'll get x is equal to 1 by 2. So that is log 5 base 25 value is equal to 1 by 2. Similarly, when you do the second bit, that is log 3 base 81. Again we will take it as, let log 3 base 81 is equal to x. This is the formula which we have. So apply the formula. So what I will get? 81 power x is equal to 3. So 81 can be written as, when you write 81, write it here. When you are writing 81, I can write 3 2s are 6, then 3 7s are 21, 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9. So 3 power 4. So I can write it as 3 power 4 whole power x is equal to 3. That is 3 power 4x is equal to 3. That is 3 power 1. So I'll get 4x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 by 4. So log 3 base 81. So I can write log 3 base 81 is equal to, I have taken it as x, but what is the value of x? Is equal to 1 by 4. Okay. Similarly, you can do the remaining. That is the third bit. So what is the third bit? The third bit is log 1 by 16 base 2. We have to find the value of log 1 by 16 base 2. Let us take this as some x. So you can write, this is base 2. So 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. I am applying the same formula here. Okay. A power x is equal to m. So 2 power x is equal to 1 by 16. So I can write 2 power x is equal to, that is 1 by, I can write 2 power 4. If I factorize it, I'll get 2 power 4. So 2 power x is equal to, if I bring this 2 power 4 to the numerator, the power becomes negative. 2 power minus 4. So equate the powers, bases are equal here. Equate the powers, I will get x is equal to minus 4. Okay. So similarly, we have to do the fourth bit. What is the fourth bit? What is the value of log 1 base 7? So whenever you are having log 1, any base, it can be any base, log 1 value is always 0. So log 1 base 7 value is 0. You can write it directly. Similarly, what is the fifth one? Fifth one, I will write it here. Fifth one is log root x base x. So I will take log root x base x value is equal to, I will take it as, suppose some a. Okay. So I'll get, why I am taking a is, here this is already in terms of x. So don't get confused. I am writing it as some a or x or some number. Okay. So if I write it, I'll get x power a is equal to root x. Applying the same formula. Here in all the other cases, I am taking this values as x. But here why I am taking as a is because already this log root x and base x is there. This is in terms of x. So I don't want you to get confused. So I am taking it as some a or k or anything you can take. So x power a is equal to root x. So x power a is equal to, what is root x? Which means x power 1 by 2. So from this you can write a is equal to 1 by 2. So that is log root x base x value is equal to a, that is 1 by 2. Okay. So in this way we can solve the problems. Okay. Now let us do the next 6th bit. So what is the 6th bit? That is, we have to find the value of log 512 base 2. So write the factors of 512. That is 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 8s are. Then 2 6s are 12, 2 4s are 8, 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2 6s are, 2 8s are 16, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are. So count how many times it is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, you have 9. So let us take this as, let log 512 base 2 is equal to x. So what you can write? 2 power x is equal to 512. Applying the same formula. When you have log m base a is equal to x, you can write a power x is equal to m. So I can write 2 power x is equal to 512. Here I have to find the value of log 512 base 2. I don't know its value. I am taking, let this value be equal to x and applying this formula. Okay. So now 2 power x is equal to 512. When I write it as factors, I am getting as 2 power 9. Here the bases are equal. So we have to equate the powers. So I will get x is equal to 9. Okay. Now therefore log 512 base 2 value is equal to x. What is x? 9. So this is the value of log 512 base 9. Similarly, when you do the 7th bit, when you are doing the 7th bit, what you will get? Log 0.01 base 10. Let us take this value as x. Then again apply the formula. I will get 10 power x is equal to 0.01. Okay. So now I can write this as 10 power x is equal to 0.01. I can write it as 1 by 100. So I can write 10 power x is equal to 1 by 10 square. So that is 10 power x is equal to 10 square. 10 power minus 2. So x is equal to minus 2 I will get. That is log 0.01 base 10 is equal to x. What is x? X is equal to minus 2. Okay. Okay. Now let us do the 8th bit. So the 8th bit is log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3. So again I will take this value is equal to x. Applying the same formula, I will get 2 by 3 whole power x is equal to 8 by 27. Okay. So now 2 by 3 power x is equal to 8 can be written as 2 cube and 27 can be written as 3 cube. So this can be written as 2 by 3 whole cube. I am writing the common power. So 2 by 3 whole power x is equal to 2 by 3 whole cube. So here the bases are equal, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So equate the powers. So I will get x is equal to 3. So that is log 8 by 27 base 2 by 3 is equal to 3. This is the value. Okay, now you have the last one. That is, you have to find the value of, I'll try to do here. That is 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2. If you have a power m plus n, you can write a power m into a power n. So you can write it as 2 square into 2 power log 3 base 2. So 2 square is 4 and the value of this one is 3. So 4 3 is 12. So here how I got 3 is you have a formula. Whenever you have n log a base n, this is equal to a. This is a formula which you have, remember it. Okay. N power log a base n. Here you are having n here, and here you have some number. Then you will get the same number here. This is n power. So here also you have 2 power log 3 base 2. Okay. So here n power log a base n form. This form. So you are getting this value of a as 3. 4 into 3 is 12. Okay. So the value of, this is the 9th bit. Solution for the 9th bit. So the value of 2 power 2 plus log 3 base 2 is equal to 12. So in this way we can do the problems. Kindly subscribe, like and share this channel.